Are you doing architectural visualizations in Blender? You must know add-ons like Scatter 5, Botanique and GScatter by Graswald. Those add-ons are used mainly for spreading different particle systems, like grass, leaves, debris, flowers, stones and so on. It happens quite often that you need to turn them off, so your viewport is more responsible, especially when Cycles Preview is on. I found it very time-consuming to toggle every particle or geometry system one by one. Let's test it out. There are 8 different planes in my scene, with different vegetation systems, created using particles, Scatter 5, Graswald GScatter, and custom geometry nodes. Let's turn them off, so they are not visible in the viewport. Well done! You just wasted 42 seconds of your precious life, for a tedious task, that can be accomplished with just one click. Wait, with one click? But how? This is when a newly developed add-on called Particle Switcher comes in handy. You can decide what type of systems you want to hide or to show. In the View tab, find an add-on, and with one click, hide all available systems. Toggle back. Now, let's hide only elements created with Blender's particles. Next, let's hide all Scatter 5 elements only for selected geometries. Finally, something more advanced, let's hide all distribution layers and particles, but not for selected mesh. Click, and it's off. As you can see, with Particle Switcher add-on, you can save tons of time. If you want to install and use it on your own, head over to my website, hdrmaps.com, and find an add-on there. Sorry it's not free, it costs €5, actually not that much, considering time you'll save. Download link in the description below. Bye.